Okay, so the plan is to get to Torva. I don't know how to pronounce the O. Such a nice evening, such a nice evening. It's good, it's very good. I still don't know where I will sleep. I made some tea and it's good. I'm safe, everything is okay. I was already sleeping and I just heard that someone is like coming. This is me before a bikepacking trip to Estonia, through Estonia. And I'm on my bike. You know what is amazing? This. The road is just empty. I just saw a snake and I'm going back because I also wanted to see the snake. Whoa! This one is actually the poisonous one because it has like a zigzag on its back. Yeah, it's poisonous one, and it's the only poisonous snake here in Latvia and also in the Baltics, I think. There was a car and it just drastically slowed down and I was like, oh, thank you. And I even did like this. So they know that, okay, I appreciate it a lot, so. And it made me happy. Ooh, soon I will also take a break. It's September 8th of September, and it's very warm. It's very warm. I feel my hands getting tinglish. I have finished 30 kilometers and I will walk up there. Right there, there's a tower. There are also actually some mushrooms. These yellow ones. So probably, I hope at some point I can also make some mushrooms for dinner or lunch, but I guess not today. Or maybe. And I'm still not in Estonia. I'm on the way to Estonia, but I'm close to the border. And I will start the Estonian route, the route in Estonia in a city called Valga. Should I even climb up? I don't even know, but I will go. These are so good. I don't even know how they're called in English. Peaches? Yes, they are peaches. But they are like flat peaches. Whoa. So basically there, on that side, there's Estonia. There's like a river there. I don't know if there's another river. No, this one is the river. So on the other side of this river, there's Estonia. And this side is still Latvia. And here there is even a toilet. A cute one. Oh, I'm having my first meal, I guess. Bigger meal. Just a tortilla, some beets, and that is for dessert. Yes. Okay, I just entered Estonia, the city of Valga. I was in the nearby city Valka, which is like just next to it. It was one city once, but then it was divided. And yeah, I was just visiting my friend here and now in Latvia, in that side of the city. Well, you cannot really say that it's the same city. It's not the same city, but it's basically everything is together. Yeah, I just entered Estonia, and I will still try to ride for 3 more hours, and then I will just try to find a spot where I can sleep. Yes, and I just got a little bit anxious and nervous talking in front of some grandmas, but it's okay. It's okay. Wow, this area is so cool along the river. Okay, let the bikepacking trip through Estonia start. Wow. Okay, so the plan is to get to Torva. I don't know how to pronounce the O, Torva. It's 27 kilometers. Ooh, it's also starting to get late. But the road will be like this, like asphalt, so it will go pretty fast. Such a nice evening, such a nice evening. And I'm so happy that I met this one friend. Yeah, we both didn't meet for, I don't know, for how long. Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So good, it's so good. The air is just it's just perfect. It's not too cold, it's not too warm, it's just perfect, perfect. I'm speed. It's good. It's very good. Okay, based on my feelings, around 8. Now it's 8:05. Around this time I should have found actually a spot where to sleep. Well, it's all right still, but I think it's better to find the spot where to sleep a bit earlier. Yeah, the sun has been set. The sun has been set. You say like that? I don't know. just now I saw a fox. It was just a fox, like there, next to the road. Okay, a small update. I reached the city. I reached Torva, and look at the moon there. Wow. Yes, so I feel a bit more safe. I don't know that I have reached the city. I still don't know where I will sleep, but I should find something like a park or a nearby forest or something. There should be something. There should be something. I don't know if you can see me, but I think I found a spot. It's really good. It's near like a it's near a gymnasium, like a school. It's kinda in the city, but not really. It's there's like a small river going here, and I will show you in the morning. But it's nice here. It's very, very nice here. Yes. And I don't know if you can hear it, but there are some animals or birds just making some sounds. Cool. I'm trying to boil some water and make some tea, so I'm warm from the inside before I go to bed. Yes, I made some tea and it's good and it's warm. So yes, there is this one constellation that when I see it, I just feel safe. I feel good, and I just lay down in the hammock Yes. And I just look up at the sky, and there's like an opening from the trees, and there is this one constellation, the Major, and it's just there where it should be. It is there, and I'm laying here where I also should have just where I should have been, and I am here, and I just see the constellation perfectly. How? Wow. So I made a sketch how it approximately looked like. So there was like a tree, a big tree, and in that tree there was like an opening, and through that opening exactly here there was this constellation, this one, just there, just perfectly in this open area, like, and I was just laying there and I was just seeing this without turning my head, just crazy.
Okay, so this is the map of Estonia, and I started my journey down here in Valga. Here is a cyclist that will represent me. So yeah, I started here in Valga, and in the first day I managed to get to Torva, and then I just stayed there overnight.
Good morning. I'm safe, everything is okay. But I was so scared during the night many times. I also woke up many times, and the night was just so long. It was also pretty warm. Well, it was cold, but it was not that cold. It's good. It's good. Soon it will be 7, but I will wake up and just pack up everything and just go somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere else. I will show you where did I sleep. I think it was a pretty good spot. It is a pretty good spot. So there's a river. Then there, behind those trees, there is a gymnasium, like a school. And I am just here. And there, like, there's a path going there, and there's like a small bridge. And in the evening around 11, I was already sleeping, and I just heard that someone is like coming and someone is speaking, and then I was like, well, that feeling wasn't great. I was actually pretty scared. I was scared. I don't know where is it better to sleep like somewhere near the city, like in the city basically, as I am right now, or just somewhere in the middle of nowhere. I'm not sure. I am not sure what's the best. I'm not sure. Maybe I will find out, but I'm happy that the night is over, and yeah, right now it's a bit cold, but it should get warmer soon, pretty soon. Yeah. My camp for the first night was here. Now, time for tea. And it's the same tea bag from yesterday, so that's how we live here. It has a little bit of taste of the tea, but it's nice to have just warm water